Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Salesforce job with no experience. First, immerse yourself in the Salesforce ecosystem by understanding its core concepts and various clouds. Focus on earning foundational certifications, such as the Salesforce Administrator Credential, which is highly valued. Leverage Trailhead, Salesforce's free online learning platform, to gain practical skills and complete numerous hands-on projects. This foundational knowledge is your crucial first step. Gaining practical experience is vital, even without a formal job. Actively complete real-world projects using your own free Salesforce Developer Edition organization. Consider volunteering your newly acquired Salesforce skills for a nonprofit organization. Many seek assistance. Engaging in Salesforce community sprints or hackathons also provides invaluable hands-on experience and networking opportunities. These activities demonstrate your capability to potential employers. Networking is incredibly powerful for breaking into the Salesforce job market. Connect with Salesforce professionals on platforms like LinkedIn and attend local user group meetings. Participate in virtual and in-person Salesforce events and conferences to expand your network. When applying, tailor your resume and cover letter to specifically highlight any transferable skills from previous roles, emphasizing your dedication to learning Salesforce. A strong network can open many doors. When you land an interview, prepare thoroughly for common Salesforce-specific questions and scenarios. Be ready to discuss your Trailhead projects, certifications, and any volunteer work in detail. Emphasize your passion for the platform and your eagerness to learn and grow within the ecosystem. Remember, the Salesforce landscape evolves rapidly, so commit to continuous learning and staying updated with new releases to ensure long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.